All right, guys, and I am now back. I know for you guys it doesn't seem like a break, and well, I actually didn't take a break, but I took a break from recording, and as you guys can kind of see in the corner, you can already see it. But guys, I have been working away at the frame and the whole truck build and stuff, and well, it's time to show you guys what's been going on. So here's the whole front end out of the truck sitting right there. I still got my transmission here. I gotta pull the pan off of this, drain out the rest of the fluid, and then I can load it up in the back of my truck. And then I gotta grab my heads off the motor, they're right over there. And then grab like basically my cam box. I don't need the camshaft, so I can keep that, stored away nice and safe. But I need, the springs, just basically everything that they're gonna need to remachine it or redo my head. It would be nice to have them put new valves in it too. And then I'm gonna have them, they're gonna need the cam specs, so they're just gonna completely redo it. So there's that. That's the stuff that's gonna take a while that I gotta wait on. So I gotta try and get that all ready tonight. And well, here's the frame. As you can see, the only thing left in the front end is, so I believe this nut's from the strut. But I got the brackets from the sway bar links, or the sway bar itself rather. And then I think that's it. I think that's everything on the front end. Oh, the horn, and then that little bolt that was a ground wire, and then that's it. And then still got the whole exhaust, of course. And then I tried to take the fuel tank out. Like, there's the cover, there's the strap, but this stupid bolt back here spun because this tube's left open, and it rusted up in there and spun the bolt. So I might have to try and cut that off or something and get that out of there, so that, who knows, maybe I'll just do a regular bolt from the top and try and get in there and weld it, or figure something out that'll still look nice and clean. So once the gas tank's out of there, then I can get to the leaf spring bolts, and then hopefully, and my exhaust is still in the way for that, but I might be able to just drop the exhaust down to get to that leaf spring bolt, undo the bracket up here, the shocks, and then the whole rear end should just come out, and then I can take my exhaust out a lot easier. So then that'll be basically everything left. And then I just gotta do a bunch of work to the frame. Like, as you can see back here, I was stripping it down, and then this is how it was. They like undercoated it or whatever. I don't know if the dealer did that to sell it, but it was all like that when I got it. As you can see, the whole front end here is like that. And then the front right here. And then this is from me scraping it down already. And then I'll show you guys what I've really been working on is right over here. Let's just move this. Look at this. All sanded up. I even got this one pretty clean. As you can see, all sanded up. Besides the cab mounts and stuff like that, but the whole frame, the outer and the top. And then I didn't get this side back here, but I got the whole top. Guys, this is very time consuming, but I figured once I have the rest of it fully stripped, and I'll probably have to move my cab somewhere else, or like over there for now, out of the way. Then I can hang my frame up on the hoist and then have a tarp underneath and just sandblast it, because I definitely want to sandblast it, because I feel like that's going to go a lot faster. Plus, I really don't want to do like stuff like this in the brackets and getting all in the cracks and crevices, which, yeah, sand will get in them too, but I want this thing completely stripped, looking really clean. Like, the outside's gonna be nice and smooth, and I just want it to turn out super good because you guys can see how rough and like dirty and the buildup and stuff. So just strip it all down, and I feel like sandblasting it would definitely be the way to go. And then I do got to touch up a few spots, or just mainly because they welded a hanger to the frame back there and I'm not using it for my exhaust, so I got to take that off. And yeah, so that's the plan. I plan to take out the sandblaster and then really go to town on it and hope that things go a lot faster, but I gotta scrape off all the loose stuff first too. So that's where I'm at with the frame, and then I gotta bring a few things to the machine shop. So there's a little update for you guys.